In the past, intelligence was measured by how well we could solve problems, remember facts, or communicate ideas. Today, artificial intelligence can do all of that, faster and more efficiently. So, where does that leave us? Artificial intelligence has integrated into our daily lives. Tools like ChatGPT write our emails, summarize articles, generate code, and even brainstorm ideas. But as AI becomes more advanced and more involved in our decision-making and creative processes, an unsettling question arises. Are we losing our ability to think critically, solve problems independently, and process information deeply? In short, is AI making us dumber? Before we proceed to the video, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Dependence versus assistance. AI was built to help us. But there's a difference between assistance and dependence. Studies show that as AI tools become more accessible, users are offloading more cognitive work to machines. A 2023 MIT study divided participants into 3 groups: those who used AI to write essays, those who used search engines, and those who wrote without assistance. The group using AI performed the worst in terms of originality, memory retention, and idea depth. Those who used only their brains performed the best. Interestingly, even Google search users fared better than the AI group. This isn't just about productivity. It's about what happens to our brains when we stop actively thinking. The science of cognitive offloading. Cognitive offloading is a term used to describe how we delegate mental tasks to external tools. This isn't new. People have been using calculators, to-do lists, and even writing as a form of cognitive offloading. But AI is far more advanced. Instead of helping us do tasks, it often does the thinking for us. In a study from the Royal Society Open Science Journal, researchers fed scientific papers to AI models and compared the AI summaries to human comprehension. The results were concerning. AI-generated summaries often missed important nuances and context. In professions like medicine, law, and science, such oversimplifications could lead to disastrous decisions. Another paper, Lost in the Middle by Microsoft and Princeton researchers, showed that large language models often fail to retain key points from longer texts, meaning they may not only mislead but also give a false sense of understanding. AI's effect on learning. Educational experts are particularly concerned about the use of AI in schools and universities. When students use AI to write essays, answer homework, or summarize reading material, they're not developing critical thinking or comprehension skills. A separate study published in 2024 found that students who were taught how to solve problems without AI assistance performed significantly better in exams than students who were introduced to AI first. However, when students used AI after learning the material, their performance actually improved. This suggests that the timing and context of AI use are key. If used after learning, AI can help reinforce knowledge. If used beforehand, it may prevent learning from happening at all. The knowledge collapse theory. Some thinkers have proposed the idea of a knowledge collapse, where society becomes more reliant on centralized AI systems, leading to homogenized ideas and a lack of diversity in thought. As more people use AI tools that pull from the same data sets, their output becomes increasingly similar. Originality suffers. The value of personal insight and independent thought diminishes. This homogenization of thought can have wider cultural implications. Political discourse becomes repetitive, media loses perspective, and educational standards degrade as nuance and complexity are replaced by generic AI-generated summaries. The productivity trap. On the surface, AI makes us more productive. But what kind of productivity are we chasing? If we're simply doing more tasks faster without understanding the underlying concepts, we risk becoming mere operators of tools rather than thinkers or creators. The danger is subtle. AI doesn't make us dumber overnight, it slowly reshapes our mental habits. The more we rely on it for basic tasks, the less we practice the skills we once took for granted: writing, brainstorming, calculating, and reflecting. Where AI helps. Despite the concerns, there are ways to use AI intelligently without letting it erode our abilities. AI can be a powerful educational tool when used correctly. In structured learning environments, AI-powered tutors that give hints or walk students through problems, rather than giving full answers, have been shown to improve performance. AI can also personalize learning experiences, giving feedback tailored to each learner's pace and understanding. Similarly, in the workplace, AI can handle repetitive, low-cognition tasks, freeing humans to focus on strategic thinking and decision-making. The danger lies not in AI itself, but in how we use it. A better approach. So what can be done to prevent cognitive decline while still benefiting from AI? Limit AI use in early learning stages. Encourage manual problem-solving before turning to AI assistance. Use AI for feedback, not creation. Let AI critique your writing rather than write it for you. Encourage deeper prompts. Instead of asking AI for a simple summary, ask it to present multiple perspectives or compare conflicting ideas. Design AI tools that promote thought. Developers should create systems that nudge users to engage, not disengage. Promote AI literacy. Just as we teach media literacy, we must teach people how to use AI wisely. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is not inherently making us dumber, but if we use it to replace thinking instead of enhancing it, we will lose skills that took generations to develop. The key is balance. We must learn how to work with AI without surrendering our minds to it. If we do that, we'll not only stay sharp, we'll become even smarter. Artificial intelligence is not inherently harmful. It's a tool, and like all tools, its impact depends on how we use it. The fear that AI is making us dumber stems not from the technology itself, but from how quickly we've embraced convenience without balancing it with critical thought. If we continue to substitute thinking with automation, we risk weakening the very skills that define human intelligence. But if we use AI thoughtfully, as a complement rather than a crutch, we can enhance our potential, not diminish it. The challenge lies not in resisting AI, but in reclaiming control over how we think. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. Take care until the next one, and feel free to drop a comment sharing your thoughts. See you soon.